What's up everybody, this is Investing Sensei. So I'm running kind of late on this video, but in this video I will be showing you guys how we performed for 2021, how the dividend growth portfolio performed, as well my 2022 goals that I do have planned. Hopefully I can achieve them. We will see. We will come back in 2023 and see how everything turned out. But anyways, as you'll see currently on the bottom, you'll see that I finally added the column for 2022 because we are going to start collecting the dividends from January, which we have already been seeing pour into the portfolio. You'll see as well for the quarterly dividends, we have 2022 Q1 ready to go. It's going to be ready to start populating. And then as well for the annual dividends over here, we are ready to start showing this graph. So we will hopefully start seeing this ladder continue to go up and up. If we look at the annual dividends, you'll see that I do have this kind of table that shows all the percentages we've made. So 2019 we've made a total of $779.62. Total invested in the portfolio at that time for that year was actually the first year I started investing. We invested $60,701, and then total cost is right here. It's about the total portfolio value that I invested plus any dividends and plus any stocks that I did sell at a gain, so that is accounted for there. And then the portfolio value is just the portfolio value at the end of I believe the 31st of December, what the portfolio value was. This includes unrealized gains, and then the dividend yield it was 1.28%. And I believe that this one is actually accounting for only the money invested, so it doesn't include the portfolio value. And then you'll see unrealized gains, we were up 35%, almost 36% for that year. 2020 we made $2,304.44 in dividends. Money invested was a total of $85,391.84, which was about maybe $15,000 we invested that year. And then portfolio total cost was about $90,000, almost $91,000. So we made about maybe $6,000 or so dollars in either dividends or as well capital appreciation we did take profits on. And then portfolio value by the end was $142,000, which comes out to be like a dividend yield of about 2.70%. And then unrealized gains, this is about 66.57% in total. And then guys, 2021, so 2021 we made a total of $2,907.30 in dividends for the year, which was pretty awesome. Money invested total for the full year, this is a cumulative, so this includes the previous years, but in total overall we invested a total of $99,621.84. This is the total amount of money I have invested into the portfolio from my own money. And now total portfolio cost ended at $118,485.91. This is again capital appreciation. We did take profits, dividends, and so on. And then this is the full portfolio value with unrealized gains included, which was a total of $214,884.59, which our dividend yield comes out to be about 2.92%, which, as you guys see, this is growing over time. And this is because this is the awesome thing about dividend growth investing as well. Remember, we do get dividend raises, so that is pretty awesome. And then the unrealized gains total went up to 115.70%, which was pretty awesome. So it'll be very exciting to come back in 2022 and see how the portfolio ended up closing by the end of 2023. So we will see how that plays out. Definitely we should see the total dividends continue to increase over time. Portfolio value could be fluctuating, but overall the dividend yield hopefully should continue to go up because we do have companies that have a 5-year CAGR that's double digit. So hopefully that should continue to grow as well. We're going to continue to dollar cost average into the portfolio, so it'll be very exciting as well. If we look at the portfolio here, you'll see currently it's trading about $194,019, and then over here we are actually currently around almost like a correction territory. So I think the S&P 500 dropped over 10%, so we are considered correction so far. But if we look at the value over time, you'll see that this little, I guess this big drop here that we're seeing, that the portfolio dropped, we actually reached a total of $217,000 in portfolio value, and we've already gone down. We actually, I think, went down to like the 180s or so. Let me see if we can pull it. Yeah, I guess M1 didn't capture it, but there was, I believe Tuesday I logged in and it was like at 180 something in the value. But you know, that doesn't worry, because over the long term you see the graph continue to grow and grow over time. You'll see that this was the March 2020 crash, which it kind of almost seems the same. So it'll be exciting seeing coming back at the beginning of 2023 and seeing how this graph has progressed. But yeah, I wanted to show you this here because this is something I would want to record and save for the future. But I'm going to jump over to the Google Sheets again. So now that you guys know how we performed for 2021, we did pretty well, I think, especially for it being very passive, and we're going to continue to dollar cost average. But I want to show you guys the goals that I do have for 2022, which is going to be well, currently you'll see here that we have our kind of like little milestones that we have. Next goal is to hit 250K. This is not the goal for 2022. I don't think we can achieve it there. But 2022 goals here are, the first one's going to be reach 6,000 subscribers. You know, you guys have helped me out with the channel, and are following me and watching my videos, watching the content, hitting that like button. While we're there, be sure that you drop a big thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to subscribe with that bell notification if you haven't done so already. But yeah, goal is to try to get to about 6,000 subscribers, so that's about maybe 1,200 subscribers to go for the year. And then the next goal here is to try to get about $300 on average per month from each quarter. So if I show you here currently our projections here, so this is scripts that I do have, which are completely free. Check them out if you are interested. But currently we're projecting about $255.27 so far that we are projecting per month. So I want to try to get this to about 300 before the end of 2022. We will see how that plays out. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. But yeah, that is, we got to go about maybe $45 per month. We were around 240 something before the beginning of the year. So we have gone up some. And then goal 3 is to reach $110,000 invested of my own money. As you'll see over here, that total invested that I've actually put in my money itself has been a total of $100,271.84 so far. This includes this month for January of this year. So I have been continuing to average in, and I'm trying to basically add another 10,000 before the end of the year. So that is one of the goals. And then goal 4 that we do have is to try to reach 225,000 portfolio value. So right now the portfolio is trading at 194,000, and then for the top that we've reached, I believe December, right around the beginning of January, we reached a total of 217,000. So we're gonna try to see if we can get to 225,000 for the portfolio value. I'm not very concerned about this one. This is just like a cherry on top, because remember, the portfolio value is going to be fluctuating, and we don't really care much about that. The main thing that we're focused on is increasing this right here, because this at the end of the day is what we're going to end up living off of once we retire. So that is the main focus there, but it's just a great little milestone to have and a goal to try to achieve. And then the fifth one is to continue to dollar cost average into the portfolio $100 every single week, no matter what the market is doing, which I've been doing every single week so far, and I will continue to do that. And then the last one here, guys, the sixth goal that I do have is to reinvest my dividends into the same company. So basically the drip. So if let's say Microsoft pays me $50, I will be reinvesting those $50 back into Microsoft to buy more shares. As well, I will contribute an additional $20 towards Microsoft. So basically the company that pays me out, I will add in an additional $20 just to kind of grow that share allocation a little bit more. And then the next quarter that they do pay out, I get paid out a little bit more than just the drip. So it's very exciting. We'll see how that plays out. I'm very excited for 2022, and we're going to continue to grow that dividend snowball. Let me know in the comment section what your goals are for 2022. I'll be very excited to see what you guys have in store for 2022, and we will come back in 2023, see how the portfolio performed, as well how we did for the 2022 goals. So yeah, guys, and again, if you haven't done so, be sure that you're subscribed with that notification, and while you're down there, help out the channel by dropping a big thumbs up in the video. I will see you guys in the next update. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.